Is Survey Jury really a great place to get paid for sharing your opinion, or is it a waste of time? This was a question I was recently asked by a viewer here on my YouTube channel, so I decided to take a look, and I wanted to then share it with all of you what I found, so you will know if this will be a way to really earn by taking paid surveys or not. So if you haven't taken a lot of paid surveys, or if you haven't joined a lot of sites, it might be a little bit confusing what Survey Jury actually is, but I have tested hundreds of survey sites, and I kind of right away saw from how they describe it that it is not as such a paid survey site, because here they say you explore survey panels and you participate and then you earn cash. But what they are actually saying is that you will not earn on Survey Jury itself. It is just what is called a survey aggregator, where you will sign up for an email list and then they will send you invitation links because they will get paid for that. Nothing wrong with that if it is quality information, because that is what really matters when we are talking about these survey aggregators. But I just wanted to make it clear from the beginning that when you click the start here and sign up button, it is not as such a paid service site you will join. It is what's called a survey aggregator, where you will potentially get some suggestions for sites you can join. But let's now go over how the quality of the information here is, so you can then see if it will be worth it. So whenever I look at a survey site or a survey aggregator or any other way to earn some extra cash online for free, I always look at the credibility of the site, and if they use any tricks that gives us a hint that we should not really trust what they are saying. And I found some feedback on the website here from their survey panelists apparently, and you can see they tell something about here how Survey Jury changed the way they were thinking and helped them make money, and it's user friendly and blah blah blah. But then I decided to just do a quick test. So I just did an image search of these images here. And let's start with this image here. Just take a good look at it, and then we jump to Google here, and we have a lot of different pages where that exact image is being used. So it seems to be a stock image that they have just taken to use as one of their so-called panelists here. And the next image here, if we just jump to Google here, you can see that this seems to be an image that has been used for face paint for royal wedding fans. And if we just also look at the last one here, that is used on a lot of different pages with German football fans and all kind of other things here. So these images are not from actually panelists of Survey Jury. They seem to just be images they have taken online. And whenever any kind of site just take images and make up these quotes here, that is just a really bad sign. Because in my opinion, that's just unethical. If they really have a great service, then it should not be a problem to get real quotes from real members. And it is just a huge red flag and a deal breaker whenever I see someone using fake testimonials like this. So as mentioned, on Survey Jury, all you will actually get is recommendations for other survey sites that you can potentially join. But then let's look at the quality of that information, because I have gone to one of the recommended list here, and the first one they have here is called Global Test Market, where they recommend you to join. However, that does not exist anymore. It was merged with another panel and is now called LifeVoice Panel. And that just shows that they are actually not updating the information here anymore. And there's also no in-depth information to help you actually figure out which sites are the right for you. So this was just a short video because someone asked, is this a great place to actually earn by taking paid surveys? So I wanted to share it with everyone here on my channel and say, no, you will actually not earn by taking any service on Survey Jury. It is a survey aggregator that will just recommend sites, and they have not updated the information for years, and there is no in-depth information. Plus they are using fake testimonials. So in my opinion, no, it is not worth it. Why not just go directly to the survey sites that will pay you and sign up there? However, I must say that I have only seen them recommend actually legit survey sites here, which is definitely great, but still, in my opinion, a complete waste of time. But if you want to know even more about paid survey sites, I see a list of the best survey sites, in my opinion and in my experience, and the sites where you can actually join directly and earn on them. Then I have all that information on my website, and I will of course leave a link to that below this video here, so you can check that out. And if this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service, get paid to sites and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.